Good morning. Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nabin Bhattarai. I am 20 years old. I am from Tirthum, Nepal. I am unmarried. I have four members in my family. My education is SEE pass. My height 5.7 and weight is 55. I am medically fit and fine. I have 1 years of experience as a garbage recycling working in Nepal. My job responsibility are loading, unloading, storing and recycling waste. I want to come to any Europe countries as a garbage recycling working. I want earn money and support in family. I will stay there for the long time, maybe for 5 years. Also, I am hardworking and honest person. I can work in any weather, any outdoor work. I am managed. I will complete my agreement. Also, I will follow the company rules and policy. Thank you.
Bye.